Hi friends! Today is such a beautiful day that I thought we could go on a little walk and look at some of the flowers and trees that are blooming right now. So put on your sunscreen, put on your sunglasses, and don't forget your hat to protect you from the sun. Introduce you to a bush that is called a lilac bush. These are pink purplish ones. They also are white and they smell delicious. Here is a close-up of a lilac. Aren't they cute little flowers? A larger lilac bush, and if you get up close, oh my goodness, there's a bird nest here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to get a better look. This is a Japanese maple tree. These are azaleas. This is called an azalea bush. They also come in different colors. This one is kind of reddish pink. And look, up, another lilac bush. Oh, I wish we could smell it. This tree is called a dogwood, a white dogwood. You see a lot of them on the side of the road when you're driving. Their very distinctive white flowers really pop out during the spring. You get a close-up.